Sends over another cross, there's the header and there's the goal! Martin Zubimendi has scored and it's Leeds 0, Arsenal 1.
That's a great decision by Madueke. He looked at taking full-back on, he chops inside, pretty similar to how Bukayo Saka does. It's a lovely delivery, but the timing of the run from Zubimendi is perfect. It can't be picked up. It's the perfect header.
Madueke with another corner. It's gone in, Darlow couldn't keep it out and Arsenal have doubled their lead.
That is all about the delivery. I mean, to bend the ball from there into that near post area, right on top of everybody, that's so difficult, Tim. I mean, if no one touches that, that's going in. But it just causes mayhem.
Odegaard looking for the run of Martinelli, who gets just ahead of strike on that occasion. Cuts inside, good delivery! And Gyökeres has turned it in! And that is 3-0 now to the Gunners.
Yeah, that's going to sink Leeds. They put so much effort into that. Odegaard with a lovely pass through to Martinelli, who rode the challenge and then delivered it, and Gyökeres was being really strong in the centre of the box, holding his ground. He gets a well-deserved goal.
Arsenal go again. Odegaard, Jesus, nice turn. Still Jesus, Jesus! Oh, that's wonderful. Quality finish, 4-0. And this is now turning into a rout.
Am I allowed to say I told you so? I knew he'd come on and get something. He's in good form. He had those two chances earlier, the header, point blank.